Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Conlon and I am a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team here at Pentagon Solutions. Last week, I published a video on Dynamo in Civil 3D, showing the capabilities of Dynamo within Civil 3D, its purpose for a civil engineer, and the services Pentagon offered to help our clients. This week's video is on InfoDrainage, what this is and what services Pentagon can offer in regards to this for our clients. As I am going through this video, I will link InfoDrainage back to Civil 3D as these two programs are interoperable. InfoDrainage is a specialized software used in the field of civil engineering for the design, analysis and management of surface water and drainage systems. Formerly known as microdrainage, it offers a comprehensive set of tools to model and simulate the behavior of surface water runoff, hydraulic performance of drainage networks, and stormwater management solutions. Civil engineers, urban planners, and consultants utilize InfoDrainage to design efficient and compliant drainage systems for various projects, ranging from small residential developments to large-scale infrastructure projects. The software enables users to optimize the layout of pipes, culverts, channels, and other drainage components, ensuring effective removal of rainwater, reducing flood risk, and meeting regulatory requirements. InfoDrainage capability to simulate storm events and analyze water quality helps in implementing sustainable, environmentally friendly drainage solutions. With its powerful analytical features and user-friendly interface, InfoDrainage significantly enhances the efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness of surface water management in civil engineering products. Here at Pentagon, we collaborate with lots of clients providing specific services relevant to their company and support them to drive efficiencies. Today I'm going to focus in on some of the services Pentagon have experience in providing for InfoDrainage to drive these efficiencies, as well as the benefits of using InfoDrainage. InfoDrainage is used for a variety of reasons in the field of civil engineering and drainage. The benefits and advantages of using InfoDrainage are extensive. I will explain these now. Drainage system design. InfoDrainage allows you to design efficient and effective drainage systems for various projects such as residential developments, commercial buildings, roads, and industrial sites. The software helps in designing the layout of pipes, channels, and other drainage components. Pentagon can help with setting up efficient workflows to ensure you are BIM and regulatory compliant. Surface water management. InfoDrainage enables you to model and analyze the behavior of surface water runoff, helping you understand how rainfall interacts with the terrain and man-made features. This information is crucial for managing stormwater and reducing the risk of flooding. Pentagon offers training to ensure you use the software as efficiently as it can be. Hydraulic calculations. InfoDrainage performs complex hydraulic calculations to determine flow rates, water levels, and pressure within the drainage network. This ensures that the design system can handle the expected water flow and capacity requirements. Storm water management. InfoDrainage allows you to simulate storm events and assess the effectiveness of different stormwater management techniques such as detention basins, infiltration systems, and retention ponds. Through training with Pentagon, you would go through all these features and how they work if they were necessary for your company. Compliance with regulations. In many jurisdictions, there are strict regulations regarding surface water management and drainage systems. InfoDrainage helps ensure that your designs comply with these regulations and local standards. Pentagon can help with setting up templates for regulatory bodies and ensure the correct data is being sent to these regulatory bodies. Optimization and cost effectiveness. By using InfoDrainage, you can analyze multiple design scenarios and optimize the drainage system for cost effectiveness and efficiency. Sustainable design. With the ability to assess water quality and pollution control measures, InfoDrainage supports the implementation of environmentally friendly and sustainable drainage solutions. Visualization and reporting. InfoDrainage provides graphical outputs and comprehensive reports, making it easier to communicate design proposals to stakeholders, clients, and regulatory authorities. InfoDrainage is a powerful tool that facilitates the design, analysis, and management of drainage systems, ensuring the safe and efficient removal of surface water from developed areas. It is widely used by civil engineers, urban planners, consultants, and developers to address various challenges related to surface water management and drainage. It can seamlessly integrate with Civil 3D, allowing for full civil designs to be completed for a project. Some of the collaborative features of both would be as follows. Importing and exporting data. InfoDrainage and Civil 3D can exchange data through industry standard file formats. For example, you can export site layout data, land surface information, and pipe networks from Civil 3D to InfoDrainage. Similarly, you can import the results and finalize drainage designs from InfoDrainage back into Civil 3D. Terrain and surface data. Civil 3D can generate digital terrain models, also known as DTMs, and surfaces, which can be crucial for analyzing surface water behavior in InfoDrainage. By exporting these terrain models from Civil 3D, engineers can use them as a basis for drainage simulations and design in InfoDrainage. Pipe network design. Civil 3D has robust tools for designing pipe networks for utilities and stormwater systems. However, InfoDrainage offers more advanced capabilities for hydraulic analysis and stormwater management. By exchanging pipe network data between the two applications, engineers can leverage the strengths of each program in their design process. Collaboration. Interoperability between InfoDrainage and Civil 3D allows for smoother collaboration between different teams or disciplines working on a civil engineering project. Engineers can focus on drainage design in InfoDrainage while site layout and other aspects are handled in Civil 3D, and then the designs can be integrated seamlessly. BIM integration. Building information modeling, or BIM, is an increasingly common approach in civil engineering projects. Interoperability between InfoDrainage and Civil 3D facilitates a more integrated BIM workflow, where drainage design and other civil engineering aspects can be coordinated and managed effectively. Overall, InfoDrainage is an essential part of a civil engineer's arsenal to ensure they can design systems which are regulatory compliant, as well as saving a lot of time and money. Pentagon offer a range of services specific to your company to ensure that the software is being used efficiently and to the standard which you yourselves want. Its interoperability with Civil 3D also makes it easy to connect both your complex drainage design with your complex road design to give a complete civil package for your project. Please give Pentagon a call on anything discussed throughout this video, or if you have anything further that you would like to discuss regarding this topic, we here at Pentagon can help your needs. This concludes today's video on InfoDrainage and concludes our video series on Journey of a Civil Engineer. Please give our commercial team here at Pentagon a call on any of the topics discussed, such as InfoWorks, Civil 3D and Cloud Collaboration, Dynamo and Civil 3D, and InfoDrainage, to discuss further on how we here at Pentagon can help your company drive efficiencies on any of the products discussed. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep up to date with any of our new videos. Please also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter.